Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sushma Sarala, consulting homeopath at Fidicus Homeopathy. Now coming to how to manage or how to avoid these miscarriages even though if you're suffering from PCOS. First and foremost thing is understanding that you have PCOS. If you're someone who has irregular menstruation, I will be telling you how to diagnose it yourself. Just understand the pie category. If you are experiencing polycystic ovaries in your USG scan, and or if you are experiencing irregular periods, and if you are experiencing hirsutism, which is male pattern type hair on the face, on the chest and all, and then you're experiencing darkness in the neck area or darkness in the intimate areas, darkness in the folds of your body, and you're starting to gain a lot of weight recently, your skin started breaking out recently, your hair started falling off more than it usually is, and your skin has started becoming oily, then do consult a doctor as soon as possible. You might be suffering from PCOS or even PCOD as for that matter. If it is PCOD, there's nothing much to worry, but if it is PCOS, then you have to take a doctor consultation, use medication, so that you will not have any sort of problem during your gestational period. Fine. And then after addressing the PCOS, taking medication, and then along with taking medication, see, these three are not something that you should be doing without medication. These are something that you should be doing along with the medication. Though the medication works, you have to support it so that you can attain cure in a faster manner. So what you should be doing is managing stress. There are a lot of PCOS cases in our clinic, and the pattern which we have observed is that people who are having either emotional or marital conflicts or problems, there is stress in that form, and also people who are having a combination of stress which is emotional as well as improper sleep pattern are more likely to suffer from PCOS. The cases which we are seeing in our clinic also, most of them have marital problems along with a sleep problem, that is along with improper sleep schedule. So if there is a combination of two, you might land into one of the lifestyle disorder diseases. Okay, please make your sleep cycle regular. Sleep before 10 o'clock and get up at least 7 or 7:30, before 7 or 7:30. Make sure you get good quality of sleep. Do not take or view your mobile just before sleeping. 10 to 1 is a hormonal repair time, so try to sleep in before that period. And if you're someone who's doing a software job, if you're an IT employee who's doing a night shift, and if you're trying to get married or going to get married or going to get pregnant, make sure that you shift your work timings, because that might affect, not saying it with 100%, but majority people do suffer from hormonal disturbances because there is no proper sleep. Okay, even if you're sleeping in the morning, it doesn't count or it doesn't give as much as rest. Sleeping at night will give you a lot of rest compared to sleeping in the morning, so try to shift your work. And then maintaining good blood glucose levels. Try to consume 6 meals rather than 3 larger meals, and try to maintain your blood glucose levels by not consuming any sort of confectionaries or any sort of high sugar content foods, and do not overload yourself with, it can be simple carbs. Try to eat in a healthier manner. Pick your meals, categorize them into proteins, fats and complex carbohydrates, and try eating your proteins and fats first and then come to your complex carbohydrates. By eating in this manner, you will be able to stay full for a longer period of time. Your cravings will come short, and also you will be able to maintain your blood glucose level. Then coming to support and early intervention, if you're someone who's suffering from any of these, try to take doctor consultation as soon as possible. And also if you're someone who has a tendency for this miscarriages, or if you're someone who's suffering with PCOS or PCOD and you've got pregnant, do take doctor consultation on a regular basis. Do not skip any sort of doctor consultations as suggested by your gynecologist. So these are some of the management features that you need to do even though you're taking medication. If you're someone who's experiencing female reproductive organ diseases, we have told you how homeopathy has a better shot at curing these diseases. In homeopathy, Fidicus Homeopathy gives you a much better shot at health. Here we have two kinds of consultation options. One is offline consultation option or in-person consultation option, and the other one is the online consultation option. If you're someone who's staying near the nearest branch of Fiticus, you can come and contact us in person or offline consultation. And if you're someone who's staying far away from us, you can contact us online either through audio call or through the video call. And after the consultation process and taking your case and investigating your reports, especially to online clients, medicines will be door delivered to you. If you're staying in India, it can take 3 to 4 business days. If you're staying in USA, 3 to 5 business days. And if you're staying elsewhere across the globe, it can take 4 to 8 business days for our medicines to reach your doorstep. If you would like to get in touch with us with any of your problems that you're suffering right now, you can contact us on this number, call us, WhatsApp us, or messages. And if you would like to know more about Fidicus Homeopathy, you can check our website www.fidicus.com. If you're someone who's experiencing female reproductive organ diseases like PCOD, PCOS, dysmenorrhea, bulky uterus, it can be hemorrhagic cyst or ovarian cyst, chocolate cyst, endometriosis, adenomyosis, bulky uterus, as well as fibroids, Fidicus Homeopathy is the answer. Why? Because Fidicus Homeopathy stands for highest chance of health. Here we follow 3 principles. Primarily, the first one being, we are already experiencing a lot of patients who are visiting our clinic and are getting good success rate in treating them. We have high success rate in treating them and curing these diseases. Apart from that, there is transparent treatment here at Fidicus Homeopathy. What do you mean by that? There is no gray area between the patient and the doctor. Here the prognosis is very clearly explained to you. The personal care here at Fidicus Homeopathy is top notch. How? We will be answering all of your questions and busting all of your myths. So if you want to treat yourself in a proper manner, if you are seeking for cure, if you are seeking for health, choose Fidicus Homeopathy.